That's it.
Oh. Let's have a look at Tomasz's x-ray. He's a young man, born in 2003, and looking at the frontal view, it looks fairly normal. Yeah. Not many rotations. Going further down on the thoracic, we can see a problem. We can see stress factor right over here. Yeah, I'm going to the left side, and then slight curvature to the right on here. So you can see that the spine, even though from the frontal view, the cervical region looks fine, but here's a stress factor right over here. So we're gonna see further problems down. Looking down, not looking too bad. Yeah, just slight rotation. We can see on the L5 region, but other than that, see there is a little bit of digestion issue, but here and here, these black spots, normally small leaky gut, but other than that, not too bad, fairly straight. When we look at the side view now, let's take a look at the side view, and especially the neck. Oh, there's a problem. So we got a reverse curve, totally reverse curve. So the normal is like this. It's got a reverse curve over here, straight and then reverse right there. Yeah. So that's going to be bad. Yeah. So, and then looking at the side, nice orthotic curve. There's with the axle bone, there's a slight problem here. So, but fairly nice. There's just little compressions on the L4 and L5, but nothing alarming. Yeah. So other views, okay, doesn't have too many fillings, which is good. We can see that also from the chin to the neck, it's slightly off. Yeah, we're gonna have to adjust that as well. So, okay, good. Let's go and start to adjust it. Adjustment. A little bit on this. Just relax. Yeah, right there. Nice.
Nice crack.
Beautiful. See, this is where he has a small problem with the axial bone, Thomas. He's got pretty good lordotic curves. It's nice. It's the axial bone here. What I could do is take this out with the single stylus and yeah, watch YouTube, man. You think I'm joking? Nice. Okay, on the other side. Already adjusted. Nice. Just right there. Nice. Okay. You're back. Let's go on to the just move it up from this side. From this side here. Just relax. That's it. Beautiful.
Oh. Oh.
One more. That's it. Here. That's it. Right up in the upper thoracic there. Where we need it. Push, breathe out. Oh, nice. Nice.